Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Excel channel. Today we are going to see our fifth task, how to unlock the protected Excel spreadsheet without using a password or without using any password recovery software. For example, your colleague sent some file by protecting a sheet, and now that colleague is not working in your company and your boss told to prepare a same report for next month, and you couldn't able to reach out to those colleague. Now you don't have to worry. Now we will see today how to recover those files without using a password. In the future, you don't have to worry to make a note of your password which you are using to protect the Excel spreadsheet. Let's see how to recover those files. Let's get into the video. Today we have one spreadsheet. The sheet was protected. This is the sheet. Now when I double click, system doesn't allow to change anything because the sheet was protected. Now there is a second sheet. Now here when I enter or when I delete some field, system allowed to enter because the sheet was not protected. Here in data 1 the sheet was protected, and in data 2 there is no protection. Now we want to recover the sheet 1. Let's see how we going to recover this file. Just close this Excel sheet. Before changing, always keep a copy of the original file in case if something happen on our working file, we don't have to worry. Now I am keeping the original file. Now we are going to work on this file. Now here if you look, the file extension is XLSX. Now from XLSX we are going to change the file extension name as zip. If someone couldn't able to see the file extension, don't worry, go to view. There will be file name extension. It will be in untick status. Now when I done untick, the file extension has gone here. Now when I click, you could be able to see the file extension name. After that, change from XLSX to zip and give enter. It will ask if you change a file name extension, the file become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Just give yes, you don't have to worry. Now we have converted the Excel spreadsheet into a zip file. Now open that zip file. Now from here we have to go to that sheet, see the folder Excel, double click it and go to worksheet. Here if you see there is a two sheet. Sheet 1 is protected and sheet 2 is not protected. Now I am clicking the sheet 1. Now enter Control F, protect. Now here you could able to see there is a protect word. You could able to find the word. Now I am opening the second file. Now I am giving here protect. I couldn't able to find any result here. It throws no result. That means this sheet was not protected. Now only sheet 1 was protected. From here you couldn't able to change anything because this is in zip folder. You can copy this file and paste somewhere here. Now let's watch very carefully. Go to open with, go to notepad. Now use same Control F, find the data, protect and give enter. Now here we could be able to find the protect. There is a open syntax. From here till the close syntax, select the entire wordings. Now you can see here is the close syntax. Now just delete. Now I have deleted that protected syntax. Now save it. Now I have saved the file. Close it. Now you can use this saved one, copy this one and go to that Excel worksheet and remove the sheet 1 from here and paste the file that you have edited. After you have done, now again from zip extension we are going to change the file name to XLXX. I hope everyone should have zip conversion file in your system, then only this will work. If you don't have like 7-zip or WinRAR, if you don't have that file, all it's free only. You can go to your browser and you can download that zip file to recover this protected sheet. In case if you don't have a zip file and you couldn't able to find in browser, I will share the link below in my video. That is a free link. You can use that link to download the zip file. Now I am going to change from zip to XLS. Now I am going to give enter. It will throw a message. Don't worry, give enter. Now you can see this has been changed to Excel spreadsheet. Now double click that file. Now you can see data 1 I could be able to edit. That's all. See how simple it is. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please click the bell icon below. Thanks for watching this video.